You can use also puri, katofe puri. Katofe just means potato, yeah. So you can use potato puri to do your to thicken your soup. So now we can see our green cole is getting cooked. I will also add my spinach. My spinach, Chikwado Space is a spinach woman. I cook a lot of spinach soup here on YouTube. YouTube have known me as a spinach woman, a spinach channel. So I will add it. This is what I did today. I do a lot of great work cutting my spinach and my green cole because I saw it yesterday in the supermarket. I went to the supermarket. I got a lot of them. I got like 4 packs. I got them. When I see like vegetable fresh one, I do grab them. I don't waste time with spinach too. Guys, I love spinach. I love greenish vegetable. And it's healthy, guys. So guys, do you see how our spinach soup is going? It's doing great, guys. Using puri to do your thickener. Do you see it, guys? Do you see it now? So if you are just joining, we added mushroom, we added green cole, we added stockfish, we added crayfish, we added dry fish, and this is our soup. Our soup is ready. Let me test it for salt, guys. Mm. I will add a small salt, then I will bring it down. Just a small salt. A small salt for taste. It's just tasting like a village soup or full. If you are from my village, that's just like a village soup. So sweet. Or can I call it township soup? This is so lekker, so yummy, guys. So guys, I will leave you now. So for people who joined my live when I was cutting vegetables, because of you guys, I come live to show you the soup I made with the green cole and spinach, and this is the outcome of it. And let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to give me comments. Let me know if you are going to try it, and I'll be leaving you because I have premiere in 5 minutes time. Is it 5 minutes? Yes. I'll be leaving you in 5 minutes time to go and do my premiere. If you are here watching me, please join my premiere. I have premiere by 6:30. Remaining just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Just join my premiere, okay? Join my premiere. Watch how I prepare this full amazing fried rice. You're gonna like it. You're gonna try it. You're gonna like it. Chikwado Space for life. Having cooking as a hobby. So join my premiere. I will reduce this light now. I will off it, guys. I have to off this, and this is vegetable soup. So remember, you can eat this vegetable soup with your swallow, with yam, with whatever you can. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Is it not looking yummy? Is it not looking yummy? Oh, with this our champagnon, is it not looking yummy? Guys, it's looking yummy. It's looking yummy. Let me make a photo, which I'm going to put it on top. Which I'm going to use and do thumbnail. So guys, bye bye. I love you. I love you. I love you. Loving you is what I need. Loving you. So see, look at it, bringing it very closer to you. Do you like it?